Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 13.2 question number 2. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. Number 1 is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 4 divided by 3 into 32. Right? Let us find. Now let us find this one. Question number 1. Question number 1 you see here is 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 into 4, and here it is divided by 3 into 32, 3 into 32, 3 into 32, 32. Now this can be written as, that is 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4, and 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, right? And here also you see this is 3 into 32. Here you see 32. 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5. If you multiply 2 5 times, you will get 32, right? Now here you see these base are same. That will apply this formula a to the power m into a to the power n, that is a to the power m plus n. That is we are getting that 2 to the power 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, and this is into 3 to the power into 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4, and this can be written as, first we write 2, that is 2 to the power 5 into 3, right? Now we are getting 2 to the power 5, we are getting now that it is 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4, and this one can be written as 2 to the power 5, 2 to the 5 into 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1, right? Now if this is division, therefore we can subtract this one, that is 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5, it can be written as, we can apply this formula, that is this one, a to the power m by a to the power n equal a to the power m minus n, right? Therefore we can write here as 2 to the power, here you see the power is 5, the power is 5, it is 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 into 3 to the power, 3 to the power, this is 4, this is 1, that is 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, that is we are getting 2 to the power 5 minus 5 is 0 into 3 to the power 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. That is, we can write here as 1 into 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3. Therefore, we can write it here as 3 to the power 3, and that is the answer. This is the answer, right? Therefore, the answer of question number 1 is 3 to the power 3. Now, we'll solve question number 2. Now, you see what is question number 2? Question number 2 here is, we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is, first of all, you will write the various laws of formulas for exponent, that is a to the power m, a to the power m into a to the power n into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, a to the power m plus n. And the second formula is a to the power m, a to the power m divided by a to the power n divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, a to the power m minus n. And third question is, the formula for third is a to the power m to the power n can be written as a to the power m into n, m into n, right? Now we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is, question number 2 is in bracket, that is 5 square to the power cube into 5 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4 in bracket divided by 5 to the power 7, 5 to the power 7. Therefore, we can write it here as, here you see, this is 5 to the power 2 to the power 3, this one, a to the power m to the power n is a to the power m into n. You will multiply this one, that is 5 to the power 2 into 3, that is 6, into 5 to the power 4, into 5 to the power 4, divided by 5 to the power 7, 5 to the power 7. Here see, if we apply this on the basis same, therefore a to the power m plus n, 6 to the power, this is 5 to the power, this is 5 to the power 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, divided by 5 to the power 7. Or you can write here as 5 to the power 10, 5 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 7. We'll apply this formula, a to the power m by a to the power m is equal to a to the power m minus n. Therefore, we can write 5 to the power 10 minus 7, that is 5 to the power 3, that comes to 5 to the power 3. And that is the answer of question number 2. Right? Now we'll solve question number 3. What is question number 3? You see here, question number 3 is now question number 3 here you see is now we'll solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is now we'll solve question number 3. Now question number 3 is 25. Question number 3 is 25 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. Here we have written 25 to the power 4. That can be written as, this can be written as 5, right, to the power 2, 25 to the power 4 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 3. We apply this formula, this one, a to the power a to the m, that is a to the power m into n, right? Therefore, this can be written as like this, 5 to the power 2, that is 25, and to the power 4, right? Then we can written as 5 to the power, we apply this formula, a to the mn equal a to the power m into n, that is 4 to the 8 divided by 5 to the power 3. It is division, therefore you can apply this formula, a to the power m by a to the power n, a to the power m minus n, or 5 to the power 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, and that comes to 5 to the power 5. This is the answer of question number 3. We get 5 to the power 5. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is, question number 4 is, question number 4, let us solve question number 4. Question number 4 is 3 to the power, question number 4 is 3 into 7 square into 11 to the power 8 into 11 to the power 8 divided by 21 into 11 to the power 3. We'll apply this formula, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. M is equal to a to the power m plus n, or a to the power m a to the power m divided by a to the power n can be written as a to the power m minus n, or you can write this formula also a to the power m to the power n can be written as a to the power m into n, m into n, right? Now question number 4, that this one you can write here is as it is 3 into 7 to the power 2, 7 to the power 2 into 11 to the power 8, and it is divided by 2 to 21. 21 can be written as 3 into 7, 3 into 7 into 11 to the power 3. So you see all the bases are same. Therefore, we can write with this formula a to the power m by a to the power n, a to the power m minus n. This is division. That is 3 to the power 1. Here it is 1. It is also 1. It is also 1. That means we can write 3 to the power 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 multiply 7 to the power 2 minus 1, 7 to the power 2, 7 to the power 2, 7 to the power 2 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, and into 11 to the power 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3. Then we are getting 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0 into 7 to the power 2 minus 1 is 1, and 11 to the power 8 minus 3 is 5, right? And we know that 3 to the power 0 is equal to 3 to the power 0 is equal to 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1, right? That is 1. 1 into 7 to the power 1 means 7, and 11 to the power 5 into 11 to the power 5. Therefore, you can write it as 7 into 10 to the power 11 to the power 5. Answer is 7 into 11 to the power 5, 11 to the power 5. Right? This is the answer of question number 4. Now we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5 here you see is question number 4. Now we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5 here you see is 3 to the power 7 by 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3, right? We'll solve question number 5, right? Let us solve question number 5. Now question number 5 is here you see question number 5. Question number 5 is 3 to the power 7, 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. And here you can write here as 3 to the power 7, 3 to the power 7, and this one is 3 to the power, you will add, apply this formula a to the power m into a to the power n, is equal to a to the power m plus n, a to the power m plus n, and a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n, that is 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3. Then we are getting here as 3 to the power 7, and if you apply this formula a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power m plus n, that is 3 to the power 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, then you are getting 3 to the power 7, 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 7. When you apply this formula, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Then we are getting 3 to the power 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7. We can write here as 3 to the power 7 minus 7 means 3 to the power 0, and 3 to the power 0 means 1. Therefore, the value of question number 5 is 1. Right? Now we'll solve question number 6. Question number 5 is 1, and now question number 6. Question number 6 here you see is. Now we'll solve question number 6. Question number 6 is this one. Question number 6. Question number 6 here you see is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0, 4 to the power 0, 4 to the power 0. That means we are getting here as 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 4 to the power 0 is 1. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 2 plus 3. That is the answer is 3. Right? Therefore, we solve this problem. This is plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That comes to 3. Right? Now dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.